Toyota has a strong commitment to thinking about how we actually move the world forward. We can actually be an example and a leader globally of what it means to do something like transition of fuel cells.
This has been a great project for us. We've been able to explore zero emissions technologies, looking at ways that we can help companies kind of expand their needs for growing zero emission fleets. It's been a great opportunity to learn a lot about hydrogen powered fuel cells, the integration into our trucks, and then the infrastructure needed to make this a reality. Customers are very interested in zero emissions technologies. We've had a great partnership here, learning so much about the technology and the capability. We've been able to gather a lot of actual on-road miles to help us fully understand the best way to integrate this technology into Kenworth trucks so that we can deliver the best product to our customers. The drivers that have performed service in the units we have behind us have commented it performs well, it hauls the freight that they need it to haul, and it's really quiet operating the vehicle in the cab. Fuel cell trucks are very capable. We've designed them to be able to haul freight anywhere in the United States, uphills, downhills, and high and cold weather, and so they perform very much like a diesel powertrain truck today. Being able to pull a grade and hold the same speed as a diesel is really critical for acceptance in the driver population, and so we've delivered that with the generation of trucks that we have here.
We've been able to prove that the trucks are functional, that they're reliable, that they can be out there delivering these goods.